The letter in every sense. Teaching team, Nelson Cerviño, Eliana Pernice, and Federico Cabrera, Cristian Marín, no están aquí con nosotros. Bueno, vamos a ver. The teaching team chose work with the novel Pedro Páramo, writing by the Mexican writer Juan Rulfo. Firstly, the novel has become a paradigmatic text of the Latin American literature, since in the complex network of symbols that present manifest different socio-cultural discourse, traversing or communication. From an historical perspective, the novel takes us back to the transition between two social historical matrices, being experienced by the Mexican government, the oligarchy domination towards the creation of the modern state of the Mexican Revolution. The figure of Pedro Páramo is displayed in contrast and reinforcement and in family genealogy, with as read a metamorph for the tension between these models and hopes. As for the cultural, the figure of Pedro Páramo embodies the species of despotism, landowner, and tyranny paternalism. Moreover, there's a due... Más fuerte. No le entiendo. Más fuerte. Ok. No le escuché. ¿Sí? ¿Ahí? Ok. No sé ni por dónde. Moreover, there is idea dance around through the history did. The novel is constructed through the voices of the dead peoples who live together and colonizes the living people to the part of the same macrocosm. Pedro Páramo is the father of all the dead people, but it also seems to point Rulfo.
In this project, we have been focused on the sensory work that the word displays. From this objective, the corpus of the sentences is part of the semantic network that links seman, moisture, dust vertically and air or no air. The word is ontologically like to the syntax, the language, and the meaning. While writing and investigation, the typography and later participated of the matter and symbolism. This is the field of literature and art, the idea and experience. Two channels of one things, iconics and phonetics, which meaning or relations conventionalized and abstract between teams. That is where the project provides an innovation level focusing of different channels throughout reading, images, and sounds, throughout which comments the information which will be taken up, reinterpreted, be advancing the student to obtain results. Here is where the creative comes. In short, the project focuses from the sensory look at the construction of visual expression, taking of different information channels as triggered, like an unconventional and course management in order to generate creative results. Yeah. I call of 18 graphic design student and 4 of letter student took place. who developed the complete work. There are these students. Yeah? Okay. The work. The work is confined in an extracurricular activity with the students who have completed the subject, American Literature, Bachelor of Art, Faculty of Philosophy, Humanities and Arts, and Typographic Designs, Graphic Design, Faculty of Architecture, Urbanism and Planning and Design. In Argentina. General objective. Investigating in dynamics groups focused on creatively developing in relation to different strategies of semantics of the meanings that revealed in the writing practice from the work Pedro Páramo, writing by Juan Rulfo. And specific objectives, thinking about the aesthetic proposal of Juan Rulfo, putting in dialogue in now leading and literary and typographic perspective, develop a proposal of cementation from the Pedro Páramo fragments in different formats, and systematize reflection and produce a typographic project from the select fragments. In working with the methodology containing transdisciplinary aspects and the group manner.
Study object, Pedro Páramo, work by Juan Rulfo. Context, narrative analysis, voice, perspective, focus, rhetorical analysis, sensory image, and metamorph. About typography, syntactic and semantic typography, morphological analysis of the scenes, word, calligraphy, lettering, binding, rhythm, harmony, dissonance. ¿Seguimos? Más o menos. Activities. Workshop mode is assumed as basic themes of work. Following the activities to be developed over 5 stages. Summary of activities. Stage 1, Tiger exercise. Details del exercise. The objective, think about the aesthetic of Juan Rulfo, putting a dialogue and acknowledge it, and literary and typography perspective. Vamos. Más o menos. ¿Qué tengo? Type of exercise: engagement between playful exercise, intellectual work, and graphic application, individuality and group. And study from the things from where it can be mentioned concepts like morphology, language, significant and significant, semantic and syntactic, perception, channel, coding, aesthetic, culture, or other.
Stage 2, contextualizing of the literary work of Juan Rulfo, Pedro Páramo, and its influence on the American literature, contemporary paradigmatic work. Type of exercise: discursive meeting about the topic, looking for the reflection to start the graphical application. The elaboration of the activity is proposed from the novel Pedro Páramo, written by the Mexican Juan Rulfo, leading the literary workshop while the work was taken with the text and the context in which the work. In this project, we have been doing to the sensory work that the work displays. From this objective, the corpus of sentences is part of the semantic network. The shop's introduction to the work, a analysis of the parameters involved, contextual, historical, and from the work by the student and the teachers of the letter degree. The stage 3, introduction to the lettering, type of exercise. This study aims to the familiarity the advanced student of the both degrees with the main typography activities, using different audiovisual intersective, and it's aimed that students arrange in group look for discursive and graphical conceptualization of the television series of different genres and make a graphical composition application that get in lettering. Ejemplos. This is result for the activity.
Stage 4, developed by student and teacher in charge of design, includes classroom work and outside of it, workshop murmurs, main activity. Los participantes. Bien, vamos acá. Place classroom for the Faculty of Architecture, the Universidad San Juan. Materials, stimulation tapes. Visual image, la vamos a ir viendo. A degree of abstraction. Abstract from the Juan Rulfo work. Intentionality in which situation they contribute metacognitive development. Visual text with the hierarchical levels. And finish con audiovisual.
Después de unos cuantos pasos calló, suplicando por dentro, sin decir una sola palabra.
Conceptualization.
¿Oyes? Allá afuera está lloviendo. ¿No sientes el golpear de la lluvia? Siente como si alguien caminara sobre nosotros.
Como que se van las voces, como que se pierde el ruido, como que se ahogan. Ya nadie dice nada. Es el sueño.
cabeza venía llena de ruidos y de voces. De voces, sí. Y aquí donde el aire era escaso se oían mejor. Se quedaban dentro de uno, pesadas.
El agua apretó su lluvia, hasta que allá, por donde comenzaba a amanecer, se cerró el cielo, y pareció que la oscuridad, que ya se iba, regresaba.
Exercise type participants groups formation where those involved have similar characteristics from attitudinal, graphic development and cognitive level in general, developed by students of letter and designer degree, coordinated by teachers, chance, included classroom work and outside of it. Stage 5, organization on assembly of an itinerant exhibition of the presented project, workshop. Vamos a ver esto. Algunas conclusiones. Conclusion. Taken from the renovation curricular in the disciplines projectual and the moved the educational equipment for a restate essay proposing the investigative answer. For in one first instance, we were waiting the word power transformer. ¿Sí? ¿No? By Mary one image, the pupils managed the text rapidly, what were observing in many cases they could not get free with what guaranteeing them the visual present composition. They were repeating typographically what was happening in the image. And Mary too, linguist things, the after things to tend to avoid this, and the time they returned to the review of the literary work to look for a position where the control itself. And Mary 3, the sound, the speech, the linguist scene is sapped by two parts, united parts that appear with cadence. We transported them to proposing sensation, not before figure to give the final composition. Or their typography banner of the form, protagonists from a sensory perspective, conquered the argumentation of the learning. Thank you.